In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets while keeping all your data intact across the rows. Sorting data in Google Sheets can be incredibly useful when you're trying to find specific information or organize your data efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to select the range of rows and columns that you need to sort. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the data you want to include. It's important to ensure you capture all the data in each row, not just the column you're focusing on. This helps maintain data integrity so that everything stays connected correctly. Next, with your desired range selected, look towards the menu bar at the top and click on Data. This menu is where all of your sorting and filtering options live, and it's a crucial part of effectively managing your data in Google Sheets. Once you've clicked on Data, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to choose Sort Range. At this stage, you'll see the option for Advanced Range Sorting Options. Click on that, and a new box will pop up on your screen. This is where you can tell Google Sheets exactly how you want to sort your data. You'll notice a drop-down labeled Sort By. Here is where you determine the column you're going to use for your sorting criteria. For this demonstration, let's say I want to sort by the class level, which is in column C. So I'd select column C from the drop-down. After you've selected your column, you have two sorting options, A to Z or Z to A. Choosing A to Z will sort your data in ascending order, while Z to A will sort in descending order. Depending on your needs, opt for the option that best suits how you want your information organized. For example, if I want to see data from the lowest class level to the highest, I'd choose A to Z. Then you'll simply click on Sort. And just like that, Google Sheets rearranges your entire set of data while keeping each row's data perfectly attached to itself. This sorting method ensures that your data remains accurate and meaningful, regardless of how you choose to view it. Sorting data in this way can save you time and make your spreadsheets much more manageable. You can always go back and change the sorting options if needed using the same steps. It's a versatile tool that helps you keep on top of your data effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in and happy sorting. Happy.